This is exactly how to play Paralives with your controller on your PC. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you connect your controller to your PC or laptop. And some of you will have the option to have it Bluetooth as I do here. So if I switch this one to the Bluetooth signal here instead, I should be able to connect it via Bluetooth. If you don't have the Bluetooth option, you just have the dongle, then you have to connect it to your PC or laptop via the USB most likely, and then just turn on your controller until it starts blinking like this, of course. So once it's turned on, we can now go into settings on our PC. So actually I'm just gonna zoom in here a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing, of course. And then I'm gonna click on Bluetooth and devices. And then in here, I'm just gonna click on add device and then click on Bluetooth. And you can see here is my controller here. So I'm just gonna click on it and it should be connected here, I believe now. Yep, your device is ready to go. Perfect. So now what we need to do, one more thing, we need to go into Steam here, so go into Steam. And on Steam, what you need to do now is very simple. Just click on the logo in the top left corner and click on Settings here. And then click on Controller. And if you can see your controller here perfectly, or you have to also click on Show Advanced Settings and make sure that Enable Steam Input here is enabled for all controllers here. I mean, it depends which one you have. I have something called an Xbox controller, or it's like it should be. It's basically the same as an Xbox controller, so I have to enable this one right here. But you can just enable everything to make sure that it will actually work for you. Then just take the game, so I'm just gonna take this one as an example. Take the game, obviously Paralives in this case, and then click on Properties, and then click on Controller here, and make sure to enable Steam Input for it. And basically that is exactly how to actually play Paralives with your controller on your PC.